Today we are trying this hair from Baudace. I'm gonna be telling you my honest opinion of this hair. So far I've worked with them before and their hair is always fire. So I'm gonna be showing you how I install and lay this hair. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyasha and this is Make. Let's jump right in. This is a unit called Pumpkin Spice named Nisha. It's a 13x7. It's super soft and it's synthetic hair. Yes, so I'm gonna be using Wonderlace Bond Olive Oil Wrap and Set Mousse, and I'm just gonna clean my head and I'm gonna show you how I install it. When I tell you I've worked with Baudace hair before and they are absolutely amazing, so you already know this shebang. I am not a pro at laying my hair, but this hair is super soft, guys. I've got nothing bad to say. I'm not gonna put it and show you if it's bad. Why would I do that? You can see this for yourself. It's not even crazy shiny. It's stunning and super soft. The lace is plucked. Guys, synthetic hair is not regular no more. So I'm gonna let you enjoy and I'm gonna show you some of the details and where you can get the hair before we proceed on laying it down. This is their website where you can get the hair. She's got different types of hair also on there. So this is the hair that I've got, but she also sells different types of hair and also gives you instructions on how to take care of it, because it is synthetic, but not just synthetic, luxury synthetic. So please go and check this for yourself. And she also ships worldwide, but she's also on TikTok, which she's mainly on, and she's doing a lot on there. So please go check her out. Synthetic has become not regular anymore. Anyway, let's get back into the video. So guys, I'm just gonna lay this hair down and you guys can see the process of how I do it. And obviously it's not pro-like, but it works for me if I want to really lay my hair down. Okay, so I'm gonna let you enjoy the video. Do not forget to leave me your comments and use my code Nyasha15 to get 15% off your first purchase. And check her out. Check Baudace hair on TikTok as well. I'll leave every link below, and yeah, enjoy. One thing I wanted to say when it comes to synthetic hair is you don't have to worry about straightening it or curling it unless you want to. So it comes already done. You don't have to worry about the curls going off or anything like that. It's already ready. So this is easy hair for people who just do not want to fuss and mass. I also have my human hair, but I'm just into synthetic hair now. I just want to put it on and that, but obviously this is a 13x7 and you gotta put in more work with it, you know, when it comes to laying the lace and making sure it kind of blends in more on your skin. But I absolutely love it. Look at the lace, guys. Look at the lace. Oh my gosh, this hair is fire. Wow. You guys, this hair is stunning. I am gonna leave everything in the links below. Like, so gorgeous. Like, look at the lace. The lace be lacing. I tried my best to do the lace like a pro, like, you know, it didn't even take long to like tint. I feel like this hair is so beginner friendly. If you don't know how to lay your hair, just go and get someone to do it. But you cannot tell me nothing. You can't tell me synthetic hair does not bang, but it has to be luxury. It can't be one of those plastic synthetic hairs. I am feeling it. I'm feeling every single thing. And 13x7 lace, that's crazy, right? What do you guys think about this hair? Literally, it's stunning. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to check the links in the box below to get all yours, and use my code Nyasha15, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.